Have you ever felt stuck trying to build muscle or get fit, only to wait for gym equipment or struggle with routines that don't seem to work? You're not alone. What if I told you that you could change your entire body using just your own body weight? No gym needed. That's what calisthenics is all about. Unlike weightlifting, which can make you strong in one direction, calisthenics builds real strength by helping you move your own body with control. Moves like dips work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once, making your strength useful for everyday life. Plus, every calisthenics exercise engages your core naturally, helping you stand taller, move better, and avoid injuries. One of the best parts is you can train anywhere and anytime. No gym membership needed. At home, in a park, or a hotel room, gravity is always ready to work with you. This makes it easier to stay consistent and skip the excuses that often hold us back. Calisthenics also burns fat and builds muscle at the same time. High-intensity moves like burpees and jump squats boost your metabolism and preserve lean muscle better than endless cardio sessions. And as you get stronger, you can progress from simple moves like incline push-ups to advanced skills like one-arm push-ups, so it always grows with you. It's safer too. Calisthenics teaches you good form first and strengthens joints and stabilizer muscles, helping you avoid injuries that can come from lifting heavy weights incorrectly. This means you can keep training strong for years, not just weeks. So, should you ditch weights completely? Not necessarily, but if you want a body that moves well, looks great, and you can work on anywhere, calisthenics is a powerful choice. The gym builds muscle, but calisthenics builds athletes.